Hello friends. Welcome to my kitchen. 2 large chicken breasts. Chicken fillet lean protein, rich in vitamins B3 and B6, supports muscles, boosts immunity, and promotes heart health. My name is Isabel. I'm happy to see you on my channel. Mince the chicken as finely as possible. Chicken breast is one of the leanest protein sources, containing very little fat. Subscribe to my channel. Here, you will always find delicious recipes. Put the meat in a bowl. Add 1 egg. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add paprika and dried thyme. Add Herbes de Provence. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Mix everything well. Prepare a piping bag. Put the prepared minced meat in it. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. Rice. Rice source of energy, easy to digest, rich in B vitamins and minerals, supports healthy digestion. Add salt and cook until done. Butter and vegetable oil and olive oil. Squeeze the meat out of the piping bag. Fry the on both sides until golden brown, about 5 minutes per side, depending on the thickness. One onion. Onions contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds, improve metabolism and support heart health. Onions can make you cry, but they also boost immunity. Chicken breast is one of the leanest and most protein-rich foods. The ancient Egyptians revered onions for their circular shape and strong smell. Place it on a paper towel to drain. Cook the rest of the minced meat. Butter and vegetable oil and olive oil. Fry the onion. Zucchini. Zucchini is low in calories, high in fiber, and supports healthy digestion. Please subscribe to my channel. Zucchini can grow extremely fast, sometimes over 6 inches in just one day. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. Toss the zucchini in with the onions. Fried onions and zucchini are nutritious, full of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. 1 bell pepper. Sweet bell peppers have more vitamin C than an orange does. Bell peppers also contain vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants like beta-carotene, which support eye health and reduce inflammation. Sweet peppers come in different colors, each with a unique flavor. Toss the bell pepper in with the onions and zucchini. Fry the vegetables until done. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It's the best reward for my work. Stir the cooked rice into the vegetables. Parsley. Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamin K, important for bones and blood vessels. Stir the parsley into the rice. Two tablespoons of sour cream. Stir in 2 teaspoons of mayo and 1 teaspoon of mustard. One garlic clove. Dill. Dill improves digestion and has a mild sedative effect. Add salt and black pepper. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription. Friends, thank you for watching until the end. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss new videos. See you in the next videos and take care. Enjoy your meal.